Hey there, fourth grade readers and writers. Okay, today's assignment. Let's get started with our Flat Stanley book. I'm going easy on you right now so we can get used to what it's like to do a virtual classroom and we can learn how to navigate through all of our new tools. So today, I only want you to read chapter 1, okay? After you read chapter 1, I want you to go to our reading and writing discussion board. I want you to post your reaction to chapter 1, whatever that was. What did it make you think or think of? What did it connect you to? What are your predictions? What were you feeling about it? Whatever that is, you post that. The other thing I want you to do is choose one vocabulary word out of chapter 1. Look it up. Figure out what the definition is and post that also. So you'll post your reaction to chapter 1 and then you'll post your vocabulary word with the definition and you will use it in a sentence. So you'll write a sentence with your vocabulary word in it. After you get that done, I want you to look at somebody else's post and respond to that. So you're doing 4. Read your chapter. Post your reaction and response to that chapter. Post your vocabulary word and vocabulary word sentence. And then post a response to one of your other classmates' posts. Okay, got it? All right. If you don't, you know how to find me. Enjoy your book. Enjoy your reading. I'll talk to you soon.